Hello, great wives. We are on organic molecules, structural isomers in particular. So let's quickly do the structural isomers. Structural isomers are defined as organic molecules with the same molecular formula but different structural formula. So you can underline that they have the same molecular formula. Have the same molecular formula but different structural formula. That is structural isomers. For example, if we have this compound with 4 carbon atoms, and we have a hydrogen, nalapha sine hydrogen, nalapha kube hydrogen, nalapha kube hydrogen, nalapha kube hydrogen, nalapha hydrogen, nalapha, then naphaya. So sibe nenye 1 2 3. So there are 4 carbon even in this one. 1 2 3. Then we have hydrogen, we have hydrogen, hydrogen here, we have hydrogen here, even there. Now let's count the number of atoms. Umzekelo apha we have carbon eziyi-4. We have 4 carbon atoms, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and the hydrogen atoms are 10 per. Then masijonge okokuqala ke ngoku ii-carbon zingaphi lapha, 1 2 3 4. So we have 4 carbon atoms, then hydrogen 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So there are 10 carbon atoms. This is a molecular formula, this one. If you can see here, the molecular formula is the same, but the structural formula, look at this structure. This structure is straight, there is no branch, but here there is a branch. So the structural formulas are not the same, which means these are isomers. Let's check another example. Let's say we have 1 2 3 4. So we have 4 carbon atoms even here. We have 4 carbon atoms, then we also have oxygen there. Okay, hydrogen atoms. Then we have 1 2 3 4. Okay, we have 4 carbon atoms even in this one. Now let's check the molecular formula of this one. So there are 4 carbon atoms, 4. Then bangapha hydrogen, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So hydrogen, 8 hydrogen atoms. Let's check here. So a carbon lapha is 1 2 3 4. So there are 4 carbon atoms. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the hydrogen atoms, the 80 par. We also have an oxygen here. Nalapha ke ngosibe oxygen. So the molecular formula is the same. This is a molecular formula. So the molecular formula is the same. Then xa sijonga ke ngoku apha phezulu lezi structures fine. Look at this double bond O with first carbon and the double bond O with second carbon, which means this one is the aldehyde, and this one is a ketone. Same molecular formula but different structural formula. Look at this double bond O with first carbon, then up with second carbon. And that is a structural isomer. So we have 3 types of structural isomers. So the first one is known as a chain isomers. So it's chain isomers. So we're going to do the chain isomers on the next video, chain isomers.